these are dominoes. You will notice that each domino has two sides. On the sides we see dots. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is to help us in our work with positive and negative integers. To do this activity, I am going to select one of the dominoes to work with. So I'm going to take this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign the left-hand side of the domino as negative and the right-hand side of the domino as positive. So here I have -4 and I have +7. I want to show those two numbers on a number line. I'm going to put 0 here. So I'm going to start with -4 and I'm going to estimate about where I want to put it and then label -4. Now I have +7. And I'm going to put it here. Now that I have them placed on the number line, I want to figure out what the difference is between these two numbers. And I'm going to do counting up to help me with that. So here I'm at -4. I count up 4 spaces to 0. Then I'm going to add on another 7 spaces to get to +7. So 4 and 7 is 11. So I have a difference of 11 between -4 and +7. So here's one of the ways in which I can use dominoes to help me in my work with positive and negative integers.